is Sanchit from SS Group, and today we're gonna have a look at a 3 BHK apartment in the project called The Leaf. The apartment size is 2408 square feet, which is a 3-bedroom with a servant quarter and a powder room attached to it. So we are standing on the entrance right now. Before going inside, these are only 2 units to every floor, which makes every apartment a 2 side facing apartments. So that's 1 unit, and this is the unit we're gonna see. So on the entrance, you have the powder room. That's a dry washroom. This is the living area, and the size is 16 by 14. It's a huge balcony. And this balcony is facing towards the club, which is 15,000 square foot built up club. The balcony size is as huge as 30 by 6 feet. That's the dining and the kitchen area combined, and the size is 16 by 12 feet. This apartment comes with VRV air conditioning. That will be of the Samsung. This is a centralized AC we are providing in all the apartments. The wall finishing, as you see, will be POP putting with acrylic emulsion, and the false ceiling will be done along with the VRV air conditioning, the centralized AC. So this is the first bedroom. The size of the bedroom is 14 by 11. The bedrooms will have anti-skid vitrified tiles, and again it has an attached balcony to it, plus an attached washroom. The fittings in the washroom will be a mixture of Kohler, Roca and Perrier. And this bedroom also gets a view of the clubhouse. This is bedroom 2. And the size of the bedroom is 10 by 12. The flooring will be anti-skid vitrified tiles, and the bedroom is attached to the VRV air conditioning, and it also has an attached washroom to it with the same specifications of Kohler, Roca and Perrier. This bedroom also has the attached balcony to it, which gives the view of the 60-meter sector road, and it's connecting to Dwarka Expressway. So the balcony size which you see here is common with the kitchen and the second bedroom, and the size is 33 feet by 6 feet. That's the servant quarter, which is attached from this balcony and has an entrance from outside as well. Now we will head towards the master bedroom. The size of the master bedroom is 12 by 16. Again, the flooring will be anti-skid vitrified tiles. The wall finishing will be POP putting with acrylic emulsion. And this bedroom also comes with VRV air conditioning attached to it. And this master bedroom has an attached wardrobe space, a dressing area where you can place your wardrobes. The dressing area, the size is 5 by 6 approximately, and the washroom which is attached to is as huge as 10 by 7. Again, as you can see the quality of the tiles, these are anti-skid tiles.